Hey, before you keep scrolling, I just want you to check this out for a second, just 1 second. I want you to ask yourself a question, and it's a simple one. What happens to you when you feel misunderstood? And then notice what happens. Maybe your body gets tight. Maybe you feel a little bit frustrated. Maybe your brain starts building a whole courtroom defense and you dig through the entire concept of your relationship and you're trying to present it, exhibit A, exhibit B, showing screenshots or timelines. But here's what actually is happening. That's over-explaining loops. And listen, it makes sense from where I stand. Sometimes when we feel misunderstood, our system actually thinks, if I can explain this thing perfectly, then I'll finally feel safe. But here's something I work with my clients and something that I have to practice myself too. You can't always explain yourself into safety. The words themselves aren't always enough. And the case that you have to make has to be airtight. And sometimes the body even wants more proof. It wants repair first. And the mind says, say more, send more, clarify more, fix this now. Yeah, so pause. Notice that. You're working overtime, Mr. Brain. And before you send the next 12 paragraphs in a text message, I want you to try this. I want you to pause for a second. Ask, am I explaining or am I trying to feel safe? Good. Notice just by asking that question, something inside you shifted just a little bit. Because that question matters. Now feel your feet. Notice your hands. You still have hands, right? Yeah, they're still there. And then let your shoulders drop just a little bit. Notice you're still here. And from here, you may still choose to explain. You may still need to clarify. You may need to set the record straight. I get that. But now, at least you're doing it with a little bit more presence and you're not doing it from panic. That's regulation. It's also self-awareness there. Because when self-awareness shows, we have just a little bit more freedom. So later today, if you feel that urgency to explain everything perfectly, I want you to ask, do I even need to explain this? Or do I need to come back to myself first? And then take 1 second. Well done. That's a big skill. And look at you. There's no courtroom. Don't need to wear a power suit or carry an attache case. There's no trial. Why? Because the case has been dismissed. It was done through a tiny little pause, allowing you to make a better decision. And you just did self-regulation. And that means that you're more self-regulated now than when you first started watching the video. Good. Shifts can happen because you just noticed one. Well done.